Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and configure Capital One security features, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Capital One website. Log into your Capital One account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Security Settings option. Click on the Security Settings tab to access the security features. Here, you will see various options for enhancing your account security. Start by enabling two-factor authentication if it's not already activated. Select the method for receiving your authentication code, either by text or email. Enter the required information and follow any prompts to complete the setup. Next, review your account alerts and notifications. You can customize alerts for transactions, login attempts, or changes to your account. Consider linking your account to a trusted device for easier access. Check for biometric authentication options such as fingerprint or face recognition. Follow the guidance to set up these features on your mobile device if available. Next, review your recent account activity for any unusual transactions. If you identify anything suspicious, follow the instructions to secure your account. Make sure to always keep your contact information up to date. This ensures that you receive important security notifications. Finally, log out of your account when you have finished configuring your settings. Your Capital One account is now better protected with enhanced security features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.